I'm pretty sure you have already heard for thousands of times people saying, oh yeah, if you want to be consistent at doing something, you need to be having the right mindset. If you want to be disciplined and reach your goal, you need to have the right mindset. Well, this is true, but the problem here is that everybody is talking about the substance of the mindset without telling us how to actually build and implement the mindset. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys on how to actually apply the right mindset of consistency. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5:30 a.m. and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. This is July 31st, 2025, and this is going to be day 388 of consistently helping people build consistency. So there are basically two really important things that we need to have in order to cultivate, in order to build the right mindset. One, daily reminder, and two, daily evidence or daily proof. So, daily reminder, it's about reminding ourselves of the mindset that we are trying to build on a day-to-day basis. And basically, we give evidence to ourselves that we are actually doing the mindset, we are actually following that mindset. So, for example, every morning you wake up, you read a quote about discipline. Something like, oh yeah, show up every single day no matter how you feel. Rely on discipline, not motivation. Then you say to yourself, I'm going to show up today and do my daily, let's say, 10 minutes of book reading session, no matter how I feel. Okay? So we start small first. Maybe, make it easy first. Go with 5 minutes, go with 10 minutes. Just make it small first. And then the next thing you want to do after you read the quote and you say your commitment, the next thing that you want to do is to basically prove to yourself that you are actually implementing that mindset. Yes, you precisely do the 5 minutes of reading the book, the 10 minutes of reading the book. It's not going to be easy every single day, but that's the process. So this way, you are building an identity of being the person who walks the talk and not only talk the talk. Once you have established this identity of being the consistent person, consistency becomes way easier because, hey, you have already proven to yourself that you can actually do the thing that you say that you are going to be doing. The first 7 days is going to be hard, but after that, it's going to be easier and easier and easier. And once you have established this identity, well, guess what? You do not want to lose the identity. Why? Because it feels good to identify as a consistent person. It feels so good to have control over your own life. You say that you are going to be doing something, you actually do that particular thing. And let me ask you one question. How do you actually maintain this identity of being the consistent person? It is precisely by continuing to do the thing on a day-to-day basis, okay? So the first 7 days is going to be hard. You need to struggle to some extent. But once you have established this identity, it's going to be easier and easier and easier. You are going to establish the identity. You do not want to lose the identity because it feels good to have this identity of being a consistent person. And guess what? How to maintain it? You stay consistent. Okay, so that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and join our Discord. This video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edit it by myself. Thank you.